In this video, I want to show you how to quickly set up a sheet for your CAM parts or your CAM designs in Autodesk Inventor. Once you open up Inventor, you will see that there are two IDW files that you can use to create a border. There's the Aiken County Public School District border, and there's also, you'll notice this is sort of a preview of it, and there's also an Aiken High School border as well. I personally like the Aiken County Public School District border because it gives you some more things in the border that you don't have to worry about typing in. So I'm going to choose that one and choose Create. Once your sheet opens, go to Base View. Remember, your Base View is your front view. So we're going to click on Base. And then we're going to click on this Open an Existing File option. And you need to browse to your files and choose the CAM you would like to insert. For this example, I'm going to insert the eccentric CAM. And I will click Open. You'll notice that in Inventor, it shows you a preview of what your view is going to look like. What I like about Inventor is that I can easily rotate my view by rotating this view cube around just by clicking on it. So I like that. So this is the view that I want, so I'm going to choose that one. Over here in the Drawing View dialog box, you'll notice that Inventor generates automatic names for your views as you insert them into sheets. I'm going to rename this name that it has generated from View 1, and I'm going to change it to Eccentric CAM. And I'm going to hit OK, even though I know this is not going to appear. But also, before I hit OK, I want to change the scale. I'm going to hit the drop-down option and choose 2:1. So again, I'm going to click OK, knowing that this is not going to show the title. But let's say you place your view and you realize you want to show the title. You can double click on that view again. Right here, there's a light bulb that will turn on the visibility of that title. I want to dress this up a little bit, meaning I want to make the title stand out a little bit, and I actually want to remove where it says scale 2:1. So I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to choose the pencil, and then I will just simply first just remove where it says scale, and then I want to type in 0.1875-0.25 thick. So this is telling the person this is the title, and this is how thick your CAMs can be. I'm going to highlight where it says View Identifier. This is the name that we typed in, or the title that we typed in the previous box. I'm going to bolden this. I'm going to click Bold, and then click OK, and then I'm going to click OK. So you'll notice this is the view. What I like about Inventor is it kind of moves or keeps the title attached to the view as you move it around. Now I'm going to add a couple other things. I'm going to go to Annotate, and I'm going to place, right here is your center marks. I'm going to choose this one, which is the center mark for a circle or an arc, and I'm just going to choose the outside of the circle. Next, I like this one here. This is a centerline bisector. It will place a center line between two lines that you choose. So I will choose this line and this line. This will give me a center mark. This gives me the center of this hole. Next, I'm going to place some dimensions. I'm going to go to Dimension, and I'm going to choose the endpoint of this center line and then the endpoint of this center line, and just place a dimension. You'll notice that as it appears, and I'm going to cancel back out of this, but you'll see that in this, as it appears now, there's 0.25. Well, according to our drawing, this should read D divided by 4. I'm going to show you how to do that to edit this. So you can't just type right here, but you can, or you actually can type, but it's going to keep the generated 0.25 or whatever measurement that dimension is. It's going to keep that when you see this arrow, these arrows here. So I'm going to hide dimension value. That will turn that off. This will allow me to type whatever I want. So I'm going to type in D divided by 4. And then I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to go to Dimension again and place a dimension for the diameter. And again, I'm going to choose Hide Dimension Value. And here I just need to type in D. Next, I'm going to place some dimensions for the actual square hole that goes through this. Press this line here and pull this dimension out and just click OK. And then I'm going to click on this bottom line and pull it down and then click OK. I'm going to move this title down a little bit. Again, it'll stay attached to it based on how I just moved it, but that's pretty much what I expect for you to make. There were some other things that you could type on the example, but you would actually add those. That was the maximum displacement. Let me go to the example drawing and show you. You'll notice that it says maximum displacement and minimum displacement. You would actually apply those dimensions the same way you would apply these right here and just override or uncheck that button so that you can type what you want. But I'm okay with you all having your sheet look like this. Next, if you want to type, there is a place on the sheet where you must add notes. You just simply go to text and place where you want to put that text. I have already typed these notes, so I'm just going to hit Control V, but you would need to type these for the first time. And highlight General Notes and choose Bold. And then I'm going to click OK. You can actually, I hit Escape to get out of the command I was in, but you can actually click on this and choose these green dots and shorten this so it doesn't take up as much space. But that is how you set up a sheet or for your cams, and you would want to add the other 3 cams that you have created in Inventor. If you need any assistance, please let me know.